ไปตามกันต่อนะครับนี่ว้าวไหมครับผมตั้งกล้องไว้ให้แบบที่เก่งเลยอ่ะ
This is why it's always a good idea to lock your car if you live in an area with bears.
Look at him! Scott, please call the police.
Move the camera a little bit. All I can see is the mirror.
Well, now it's shut more than it was.
Yeah, I know.
You had like it was open like 2 or 3 inches before.
Oh my God!
Look.
Wow.
He's looking for a way to push it open.
Take a sneak screenshot. Scary.
Holy cow!
Look.
The owners decided that with all the doors shut, no wild animals could get into their house. But this bear was one step ahead.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Look.
Holy! Oh my God!
Look.
Doors on in the garage.
No!
Look,
He
he's
just
got the whole
cleaned
thing
it!
by his mouth.
Damn it! Should I just beep?
Mouth.
Should I just beep the horn?
Yes.
No! Come on!